Hey there, Kalena from Voice Savvy coming right back at you with another video. So today we're going to be talking about vocal fry and how we can really use it to extend and strengthen the lower end of your voice. So let's talk about it. So when it comes to the vocal registers, you've got vocal fry, chest voice, middle voice, head voice, and whistle voice. So those are the vocal registers, and vocal fry is the lowest out of them all. So the vocal cords vibrate differently for each of the vocal registers. Now when we do vocal fry, our vocal cords become loose and uncompressed air just bubbles through them. Now the surrounding muscles of the larynx all become really relaxed, especially when we're doing this vocal fry, and it's just really great to help keep us away from strain and tension, so it can really help with that. So ultimately it helps to keep the voice in a relaxed position, which is what we want. So personally, I think vocal fry can be a really great tool for us singers to use. It can help us achieve all different kinds of sounds, but today we're mainly focusing on extending and strengthening the lower end of your voice, because vocal fry is really going to help you to obtain those notes that are in chest voice that are a little on the lower side. So without further ado, let's do some exercises. So please make sure that you've done a physical and a vocal warm-up before you do these exercises, okay? But getting into vocal fry is super easy. You just have to pretend that you've just woken up in the morning. So let's just start out with some gentle yawning. So we're just gonna go, oh. And that is vocal fry. And let's do just a couple more of those. Just keeping it 100% relaxed. Give me just a few more and then we're going to take it to the scale. And give me one more of those. Stay within that yawn position and we're going to bring it to the scale. It's making me really want to yawn. All right, let's continue on. Bringing it down. It's making me want to yawn again. Keep it going. Going into vocal fry on those bottom notes. So what you don't want to do, you don't want to go, and then really, try and dip into the note. You're using the vocal fry to really connect. Sorry for all the yawning. This exercise makes me want to yawn. Whoa, 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 ba, 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 ba. Whoa, 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 ba, 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 ba. Whoa, 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 ba, 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 ba. Whoa, 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 ba, 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 ba. Whoa, 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 ba, 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 ba. Whoa, 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 ba, 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 ba. Whoa, 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 ba, 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 ba. Whoa, 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 ba, 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 ba. Whoa, 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 ba, 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 ba. Whoa, 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 ba, 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 ba. Whoa, 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 ba, 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 ba. Whoa, 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 ba, 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 ba. Whoa, 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 ba, 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 ba.
That was Vocal Frye. I hope you found this video helpful. You've got to really keep doing these exercises in order to extend your range lower and really strengthen the lower end of your voice. So you've got to be consistent and doing them on a daily basis. Also, give them a try on a song melody, especially a song melody that goes a little bit more on the lower side. This is just going to help you to hit those lower notes with more ease. So I just wanted to say before I leave that Vocal Frye is 100% safe to do, as long as you're doing it in the most relaxed way possible and that you're not pressing your vocal cords together too tight. So keep it relaxed and we're all good with this one. Over the next few weeks, I'll be sharing a video on how Vocal Frye can just really help to connect the vocal registers, you know? But until then, I will see you again soon. Peace out.